Hey everyone. So, after 4 years of use, the battery in my Sena helmet communicator is starting to fail on me. It used to be good for all day usage. Now I'm lucky to get maybe 3 to 5 hours out of it. So, what I'm going to try to do today is to remove that factory battery and replace it with a slightly higher capacity aftermarket battery. Okay, first thing we're going to do is remove these screws off of the bottom of the case. Looks like they are a T8 Twerks. Next, we're going to try to separate this backing from the rest of the housing. Okay, you can see we have a 560 milliamp battery in here. I'm actually going to replace that with a 650 milliamp battery. So next I got to get this little connector out. And now we should be able to remove the battery. A little adhesive under there. There we go. Okay, here is my replacement battery. See, 650 milliamps, roughly the same size. Looks like it'll fit in just fine. One thing we have to do though is cut off the factory connector and solder it on to the new connector. I know I'm not the best at soldering, but I'll do the best job I can here. These little wires are a little tough to work with. Okay, I think those will work. Now let's reassemble. And before I put it all the way back together, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in for a minute and see if it actually charges. And I see the red light, so we're charging. Try to get that seal back where it belongs. Okay, we're all back together. Everything looks good. I'm going to go ahead and plug that back in and let it get a good charge. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below in the comments and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And if this video helped you out at all, please make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.